Hello world, hello Kryptonians. It's a beautiful day. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Well, today I'll be looking at the reason why you actually clicked on this video. But before then, let's head over to the coin market cap. Now, as you can see, we are over $400 billion, and Bitcoin has been doing steadily well over the past 24 hours. You see, the market is a little bit green today, and everything seems very cool. Well, I've been able to place an order for Cindicator. My boss called me some days ago, and he was like, "Jonathan, have you bought Cindicator?" And I'm like, "No, I haven't." He said, "Buy Cindicator." And to me, that was like, this is the voice of God, because I have been thinking about buying Cindicator. During the last signal to buy Syndicator, I actually didn't buy Syndicator. So when he mentioned it again, I found the need to actually buy Syndicator. So as you can see right here, I have two open orders for Syndicator, one at 18,900 sats and 19,000 sats. Okay, of Ethereum, by the way. So I'm buying with Ethereum. Currently, the market isn't there yet, so I should be looking at somewhere around here. You can see my buy orders here, so I'm looking at somewhere around this region in here to buy my Syndicator. Though this bridge is pretty much okay, but I'm just hoping. We don't know what happens to the market, but this is where I want to buy my Syndicator. Yeah, this is where I want to buy. This block is really, really heavy, but I'm hoping, yeah, that it should go. I placed this order yesterday. It's not yet true, but I'm believing something is gonna happen in the next 24 hours. All right, and for Vosek, for those of you who know that I'm into Vosek, I have a 109 gigahash, right? And currently my profit is this, and this is passive income. Okay, by the way, this is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing myself. So whatever you do is solely based on your own decision. Okay, so make sure you do your own research, do your own findings before you put your money into anywhere you want to. Okay, so this is Vosek is a mining platform. Okay, cloud mining, by the way. They use ASIC mining, okay, and which is the best form of mining currently. All right, so this is what has been on for the last couple of days. This is my profit here, and I also mine with world mining. Let me see what's up here. This is my current profit on world mining. I have 130 gigahash right here. Okay, and then let's head over to Lend Connect. Lend Connect is it's coming up gradually. A lot of negativity around the lending space, so it's not really going to be easy for Lend Connect to actually pull back. But definitely they are going to pull back. Okay, I believe so much in Lend Connect. I believe they have something quite different to offer, which will make them to stand out over time. And I currently have 7 referrals. Thank you guys for those of you who are signing up. And remember, this is not financial advice, so you have to be careful. Make sure whatever you're putting in here should be something you're able to lose, because we don't know and cannot predict what will happen tomorrow. All right, so I have 7 referrals. None of them have invested yet. Okay, but I still appreciate each one of you that have been able to make the decision. All right, I appreciate that. So these are the people right here, and checking my lending wallet. I want to check my lending wallet. Let's see. Okay, so I have 188 at the moment. Okay, which equals to 45 Lend Connect coins. Awesome. Anyway, this is, let's check the exchange. The exchange was shifted, like told you guys in my last video about Litecoin, and they're going to be, the exchange will be going live in the next 11 days, so that should be 25th. Yeah. All right. So moving on to Pagares. Pagares, I currently have $29 available as profit. Okay, they are still working on the platform. It's not complete yet. We still have a little bit things to touch on here and there to make sure the place is working out fine. And I'm still looking at some other platform. I still have my contract on Genesis Mining, which is mining Ethereum there. All right, and looking at Bitwalo, which I've not concluded on yet. So this is currently what's happening. For those of you who haven't bought Cindicator, I will advise you guys to buy Cindicator. It's a great project. Okay, it's a coin that you can hold, and over time it's going to grow in value. Okay, and I see people always talking about holding. It's good to hold, but come to think of it, if each of us is holding and there is no circulation in the market, you know, how is the market supposed to grow? So there ought to be some form of circulation where everyone can just hold. There will be panic selling, there will be fall that will always lead to panic selling. All right, so these are the things that will help the economy, that will help the market to grow. All right, the Chinese holiday will be coming in very soon, and we are going to have another dip, which is going to be a massive opportunity for lots of persons to buy into the market again. For uh, those of you who have lots of Bitcoin, I think this is the best time to sell. No, sorry, this is not financial advice. Once again, it should be your own decision. Okay. Anyway, but this is the best time to sell in. After the dip, you buy into the market again. Okay, but just do your own research, do your own findings, and see what is best for you. So if you want to sign up into any of this platform, just click on see more below this video. We see my referral links. Do well to use them if you want to join these platforms. Okay. This is just all about passive income. I want to get to a point whereby I don't really have to spend so much time in the earning. Okay, reason why I'm investing into cloud mining at the moment. Okay, even though cloud mining is not very profitable as it used to be, but it's still a form of, generating passive income. All right, so if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you just watched. Okay, and click on the notification button so anytime I post a video you can be alerted. You get an email that I've posted the video. So until next time, be safe. Bye.